Cargo loading preparation. Carefully check container. Floor shall be clean and free from any debris. Use tapes to fix corrugated paper to container floor, sidewalls and front end. Joint area and side walls covered and defend areas that might cause damage to Flexitank. Flexitank installation. Take Flexitank out of carton. Unfold it towards front end. Unfold Flexitank towards left wall. Flexitank central line should be aligned with the container central line. Fold Flexitank inward, 50 centimeters away from container door. Keep sufficient room for bulkhead. Installation of bulkhead type A. Fix cardboard into the container. Insert adjustable steel bar into grooves. Tighten the bolt. Fix other bars one by one. Insert paper tubes between every two bars. Fix bars to cardboard with cable ties through drill holes. Fix the vertical bar to cardboard with cable ties. Pull valve out through the hole on cardboard. Use cable ties to fasten bottom valve to cardboard. Keep valve handle at 12 o'clock position. Close left door. Hang the warning tag on the left door latch. Stick warning label on left door. Cargo loading. Remove valve caps. Connect pipe to the valve. Start pump engine to transfer liquid cargo into Flexitank. Shut down pump when Flexitank loaded with designated volume. Close valve. Remove pipe. Fasten caps. Close right door. Seal the container and put caution labels on container side panels. Sampling. Container seal shall be intact. Container has not been opened during transportation. Keep container left door closed and right door open. Remove valve caps. Check interior of the valve. Make sure no dirt, debris inside. Put the sampling cap on the valve. Open valve slowly, allowing liquid flowing into sample bottle. Close valve. Put on caps after it is finished. Flexitank discharging and removal. Remove valve caps. Check interior of the valve. Make sure no dirt, debris inside. Connect pipe to the valve. Keep it parallel to the valve. Start pump engine to discharge cargo out of Flexitank. Flexitank surface would collapse gradually. When top surface falls to 15 centimeters away from the floor, reduce flow rate to 300 liters per minute. Keep discharging. When liquid do not flow out anymore, shut down pump. Disconnect pipe from Flexitank. Open both container doors. Dismantle and remove bulkhead. Operators are suggested to enter the container to roll the Flexitank from back to the front and drain liquid residue out of Flexitank through the valve. Take Flexitank out of container. Put it in designated place. Flexitank disposal. 1. Burn or bury used Flexitank. Send it to authorized waste disposal company for disposal. Operation shall be in compliance with local environment regulations. 2. Roll up used Flexitanks. Send them to waste recycling company for future dissection, classification, and recycle. 3. Sort carton and iron materials. Send them to the authorized recycling company for further use. Please follow this manual to do Flexitank installation to avoid personal injury or property loss during operation.